sorry y'all missed the battle on this guy. Camera turned off on me. Look at this guy. It's a monster. It broke my pole off. A pin pole reel. Crazy. Please don't flop it and do this. Truck's all yours. Woo. Look at that bad boy. Tried to stream it, but it didn't work. And there he is. That's my bait. And I'm gonna put it on the rod I just broke. Because 3 rods are better than no rod. Alright, it's out there. Oh. Let's try some big bait. Wonder how this is gonna cast. That's some big bait. If anybody's curious whether or not a chainsaw will cut through the hide of a gar, that's a big nope. I got that cut by going in through the gill plate. This will not cut through the hide of a gar. I have another tool I want to try. Ten snips. Go. Dude is massive. Here's what I usually use. Get some more of this grass off. I'm gonna get this into this tail. I'm just gonna do it with a fillet knife. And these guys, you come up here, and the knife will cut between them. Nope, that's not one. This one. All the way to the end of the tail. Arm workout. That piece weighs a ton. $13.25 pounds off one fillet. I'll weigh this one too. Considering I cut a bit off. 12.5. So that come out good too. I'm gonna be removing the head off of this guy. I'm gonna try to do a boiling mount. I'm gonna get all this off and boil the skin off of it, boil everything like I do a European mount. I need to get a axe after it. Turn this gar fishing video into a catch, clean, and cook. There's a big old smiley gar. $10. Hopefully I get a chance to use it more. Alright, it's heating up. This is coconut oil, garlic salt, steak seasoning, Montreal steak seasoning, because I bought it. Garlic salt. There's more steak seasoning. I have to buy some more of that. Probably didn't need so much olive oil. I gotta set it all the way on high. Now it's got a little tailgate space. Is that one away? Alright, they're fully cooked. There. Put that one there. Put that right there. I'll shut this little booger off. Of course I didn't bring a fork. I don't need a fork. I do eat. This scale. Looks just like a pork chop. That's some good gar though. Oh yeah, look at that. Gar almost had the same texture as pork. It's hard getting this thing doesn't get hot enough to sear it like I like to do with the redfish and stuff. It's a little salty. I think I put a little bit too much garlic salt on there. But it's good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And be ready for a smoker video. I put one of these in a smoker. Big one, wrapped in bacon. It looks awesome.